In today's video, I'm going to teach you creative Canva trick for an amazing presentation. This simple workflow creates a smooth, professional movement between slides that looks like motion design without any complicated keyframes. We'll set everything up on one slide, duplicate it, make thoughtful changes on the second, and then let Canva handle the animation for you. Start by opening Canva and creating your first slide. Add all the elements you want to feature your headline or body text. Photos or screenshots, icons, and shapes. Think of this as your master layout. Place everything roughly where you want it to begin. Keep each item as its own element rather than flattening or merging. Because Canva's animation feature relies on recognizing these individual pieces. Take a moment to align things neatly and use consistent sizes and colors so your transition looks intentional. Next, duplicate that slide. Use Ctrl-D on Windows or Ctrl+D on Mac. Or click the duplicate icon. Duplicating is crucial because it ensures the second slide contains the exact same elements, which is what allows Canva to track and animate them seamlessly from one slide to the next. Now, on the second slide, start rearranging. Move elements to their new positions, resize them for emphasis, or rotate them to add energy. If T here is anything you want to disappear, don't delete it, drag it completely off the canvas instead. Deleting breaks the chain, moving off screen tells Canva to animate the element out of view. Likewise, if you want something to appear, position it just off screen on the second slide so it can glide in. Small, precise moves create subtle polish, while larger shifts deliver a bold, dynamic effect. Hold Shift while resizing to maintain proportions, and watch the guides to keep everything aligned. Time to add the animation. Switch to the timeline or page view, and click the transition icon between your two slides. From the transition options, choose Match and Move. Canva will automatically analyze where each element started on slide 1 and where it ends on slide 2, then create a smooth animated path between those states. Finally, refine the timing. Adjust the transition duration to control the feel. Shorter for a quick, snappy change, longer for a smoother, more cinematic flow. Preview as you tweak. If anything looks jumpy, double-check that you didn't delete or replace elements. Tiny nudges in position or scale can make the motion feel more natural. And that's it. Thanks for watching.